I love adding extra protein to a recipe. Vibrant, wholesome and full of flavour, these Hara Bhara Kababs are comfort food with a green glow. Our first ingredient is going to be spinach. Great source of iron and folate in your diet, which helps support your immunity and also gives you good energy. Going in next with green peas, our plant-based source of protein that helps with building muscle, joints and bones. I love adding extra protein to a recipe. Over here, I'm going in with paneer. You can replace this with tofu also. Boiled potatoes in this recipe will help bind the mixture and also give you natural carbohydrates. It's time to add in our other basic spices. While a traditional Hara Bhara Kabab is a snack with our choice of ingredients, this can be a meal for children or the elderly. Shaping our mixture into kebabs, and then it's ready to go into the air fryer at 150 degrees for 12 minutes. You can even pan fry them. Crispy on the outside and melt in the mouth soft within. These Hara Bhara Kababs are proof that indulgence and nourishment can go hand in hand. For more such nutritious recipes, like, follow and share India Food Network.